Has your view of your spouse changed? Has it gone, or is it going from positive to negative? Would you like to know how to reframe the way you look at your spouse? Well, let's look at 5 things that can turn your framing from negative to positive. And before you forget, would you hit subscribe and ring the bell? Thanks. Practice intentional gratitude. Start each day by listing 3 things you value about your spouse. Stop and take notice of their unique qualities. Perhaps they're great with the kids, maintain the home, or work hard to provide. Appreciate the small things they do, maybe making coffee, or remembering important dates, or asking about your day. Share your gratitude directly with your spouse regularly. Look at your thought patterns now. When you get frustrated, pause and act, am I making this in my mind worse than it really is? What might be causing their behavior? How would I want to be understood I was in their position? Challenge your automatic negative thoughts. When you think they never help around the house, consider that maybe they contribute in different ways instead of they don't care about me. Consider they might show love differently. What are your own triggers and your biases? Are past experiences, are they affecting your current reaction? Are you projecting old hurt onto the current situation? What unrealistic expectations might you be holding? What does God say? Think and meditate on relevant scriptures. Ephesians 4:32 on kindness and forgiveness. Colossians 3:13 about bearing with one another. Proverbs 31 and Ephesians 5 on marriage roles. Develop a prayer routine. Pray for your spouse's well-being and growth. Ask for wisdom and understanding them. Seek guidance in being a better spouse. Thank God for specific attributes of your spouse. And remember, marriage reflects Christ's relationship with the church. Practice sacrificial love. Extend grace as Christ does. Focus on serving rather than being served. Focus on your actions. Create positive momentum through deliberate acts. Leave encouraging notes for your spouse. It's always cool. Do small tasks that they usually handle. Surprise them with that. Plan activities they enjoy and give meaningful compliments. Build new positive habits. Those regular date nights, daily check-ins about each other's needs. Share devotional time. Break negative cycles. Choose not to escalate arguments. Respond to criticism with questions rather than being defensive. Take breaks when emotions run high. Seek to understand. Practice active listening. Make eye contact. Put away distractions. Reflect back what you hear. Ask clarifying questions. Learn their love language. Observe what makes them feel valued. Ask them about their preferences. Notice when they seem most appreciated. Explore their background. Understand their family dynamics. Learn about their past experiences. Recognize how their upbringing shapes their expectations. I know, that's a lot. Change takes time and patience. Just stay committed to the process even when progress seems slow. Practice intentional gratitude. Look at your thought patterns. What does God say? Focus on your actions and seek to understand. You can do this, and you'll be so glad you did. God builds something awesome into your marriage, and He will. I invite you to come back. I invite you to share and subscribe, and ask you to join us and help to get the word out, because our goal is change the world, one couple, one marriage at a time.